Afternoon all, hope you're well. Feeling in a bit of a somber mood today. I haven't got any YouTube content. I have, but I'm not going to share it, not going to put it out. I feel it's wrong with this crisis in the Ukraine and Russia. I just wanted to show my support if I can. I can't do a lot. It's not like I can jump on a plane and go out and fight him, because I don't know the first thing about fighting. Not that kind of fighting anyhow. If Putin was in my front garden now, I'd fight for sure. Or if he was in England and it was our kind of war. I'm not saying it's not our war, because it is. This guy's dangerous. It's quite scary actually. As a child I used to go to bed at night and think somebody was going to press the red button and nuke us. And this guy's close. Anyhow, hopefully the Americans are watching him by satellite and Secret Service and whatever. I don't know whether that exists, you know. In the real world, we get up every day, we go to work, we earn our money, we do well, you know, do YouTube videos, and we're on Facebook and all that. These poor fuckers in Ukraine, mate, heartbreaking to watch. Just watched the news. I came in for a spot of lunch because I was working in the village where I live. This young Ukrainian girl was being resuscitated in the back of an ambulance. Could have only been about 5. It just reminded me of my granddaughter. Just think, for fuck's sake, Putin, have a word, mate. Come on, this is pathetic. Anyhow, I just wanted to say much love and respect to the Ukrainian people. Much love and respect around the world to everybody that's going against this guy. You know, I know the sanctions don't seem much, but do you know what? He will feel it eventually. Let's just hope not many people die, or no more people die, before he does do something sensible. I know they're in talks right now to try and stop it, but I can't see that happening. I think they've done talks prior to the invasion. He clearly wants to get the Ukraine back into the Soviet Union kind of fold, whether that's right or wrong, whether he's allowed it, isn't allowed it, whether the UK or the US have bullshitted it and we've lied to him or whatever. I don't care. Just stop the killing, stop the invasion, take your nuclear weapons and stick them up your own arse. Do something decent for once, you dickhead. Honestly, there's innocent people dying now. This is not right. Big love, Ukraine. We support you. If there's anything we can do, we will, I'm sure. I don't know. I don't even know a single Ukrainian person, okay? I don't, other than Vladimir Klitschko and Vitaly Klitschko, who, massive respect. You know, these guys have got millions of pounds and they're on the front line. Fair play. And that Alexander Usyk, fair play. Massive respect. Anyhow, enough ranting. I am going to post this on YouTube. This will be my content. Show my big love for Ukrainian people. And I hope you all stay safe. After COVID, I thought we couldn't get any worse, but this is ridiculous. You deserve your homes back. You deserve that dickhead to be dead. End of. Sorry, but you do. I believe that somebody has to assassinate him to stop this. I can't see any other way out. If I was sitting next to him with a gun, I'd do it and then die myself for millions and millions and millions of people to live, because he's worse than Hitler. Anyhow, guys, stay safe. Big love. Big love to Ukraine.